Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to deposit a check at Bask Bank. I know this might seem like a simple task, but it can actually be a bit confusing if you're not sure what you're doing. So, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process so you can do it with ease. Before we get started, I want to mention that this video is for informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and I recommend that you consult with a financial professional before making any financial decisions. What you'll need. In order to deposit a check at Bask Bank, you will need the following: your Bask Bank account number, your routing number, your check, your driver's license or other form of identification. Step 1. Find your Bask Bank account number and routing number. Your Bask Bank account number and routing number are located on your checkbook cover or on your monthly bank statement. If you don't have a checkbook cover or monthly bank statement, you can call Bask Bank customer service to get your account number and routing number. Step 2. Prepare your check. Before you can deposit your check, you need to prepare it by writing the date, the amount of the check, and your name and address on the back of the check. Step 3. Go to your nearest Bask Bank branch. Once you have prepared your check, you can go to your nearest Bask Bank branch. You can find a list of Bask Bank branches on the Bask Bank website. Step 4. Deposit your check. When you arrive at your Bask Bank branch, you will need to show your driver's license or other form of identification. You will also need to provide your Bask Bank account number and routing number. Once you have provided all of the necessary information, the bank teller will deposit your check for you. Additional tips. If you are depositing a large check, you may need to provide additional identification, such as a passport or social security card. You can also deposit a check using the Bask Bank mobile app or online banking. If you are depositing a check that is made out to someone else, you will need to endorse the check by signing it on the back. If you are depositing a check that is damaged or torn, you will need to take it to a Bask Bank branch for repair. I hope this video has helped you learn how to deposit a check at Bask Bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I will see you next time.